which helps to define the search and bring them right down to the pinpoint position. If this were at night, then the four-man crew would be wearing night vision goggles mounted on their flying helmets to pick out any obstructions that happen to be in the way to spot the survivor. So there we go, that's the recce done now, and frequently during this stage you may or may not see smoke cartridges being fired to identify the prevailing wind direction, but I think there's no doubt today where the wind is coming from, as we can all feel that. And then the helicopter will position into winds where it benefits predominantly from the increased lift. So keep your eyes peeled now as we go into position for this very delicate and tricky manoeuvre of rescuing the downed pilot. Okay, so there we go now, he's coming into the hover. Now, interestingly enough, that survivor isn't the survivor we thought. So there are obviously two casualties out there by the look of it, but he's in the hover now, where it's going to obviously benefit from the lift, and the crew will now discuss a plan for the rescue, which will keep the aircraft, the winchman, and the survivor as safe as possible. So you see the work going on there. Very, very stable hover. Notice just how the helicopter itself is just leaning slightly to one side, it's just tilting the rotor blade